and happy preparation for your ICAN exams. So I'm trying to go on a series where I'm actually going to be treating PM, performance management, for the skills examination. And I looked through the syllabus. There are actually 20 topics in them all. So what I want to do is I want to take them in a group of 6 or 7. So we have in one group like 5 topics. In another group, there are 4 topics. I will just keep taking them that way. I'll move on. But I know that your problem really right now is not studying the study part. The problem is the past question, right? Like, you look at the past question, you've read the topic looks simple, and then you go to past question. It's something else. So what I'm trying to do is that I'm going to be making, on each topic that we pick, I'll make an explainer video on the topic. It's going to be very summarized, straight to the point. You probably need to read your notes for that. Then you can now come back and actually attempt past questions. So I'm going to be taking past questions on each of the topics. Say, for example, linear programming, right? You have like past questions in 2022 May in the Pathfinder. I'll take them and then I'll put those past questions into one video. So if there are 3 past questions, there will be 3 videos, right? So that is the goal. So the first thing that we're going to be doing is, the first group that I've decided to work on is, number 1, limiting factor. Number 2, CVP, which is cost to volume profit. And CVP, which other one? Divisional performance and transfer pricing. Those 4. So those will be the first group. So you have explainer videos on them. And then you have past question videos on them. I know that this is probably going to be very difficult, especially like, balancing this with my work and all of that, and also studying for exams too, because I'm writing ICAN too, right? But I think the only incentive for me to make this video is actually if you subscribe. Like, please just go ahead and subscribe, right? Because I think it's going to just be what actually motivates me to make more of these videos. And I don't know, maybe probably when we get to the point that we monetize, if you see adverts, don't skip. Just like, watch through. And that's the way you're supporting the videos. So yes, you can expect this number of videos coming out. I'm going to be putting in the late nights, just recording back to back to make sure that you pass and I pass. Wishing you a very, 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 very successful exam. See you on the other side. Bye.